Welcome to our latest video where we're going to be discussing the top 5 strategies for building a loyal social media following. Whether you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or influencer, having a loyal following on social media can be a game changer for your brand. With these strategies, you'll be able to engage with your audience, build trust, and create a strong community that will keep coming back for more. Strategy 1. Know your audience. The first and most important strategy for building a loyal social media following is to know your audience. This means understanding their needs, interests, pain points, and desires. Use tools such as analytics, surveys, and social listening to gather insights about your audience. With this information, you can tailor your content to their preferences, respond to their comments and messages, and build a relationship that will keep them engaged and loyal. Strategy 2. Create engaging content. The second strategy is to create content that your audience will love. This means using a variety of formats such as videos, images, and infographics, and posting consistently. You should also aim to create content that's informative, entertaining, or inspirational, and that aligns with your brand's values and messaging. Finally, make sure to engage with your audience by responding to their comments, asking for their feedback, and running polls or quizzes. Strategy 3. Build trust. The third strategy is to build trust with your audience. This means being transparent, honest, and authentic in your communication. Avoid using vague or misleading language and instead provide value and insights that are relevant to your audience. You should also aim to personalize your messages, respond to negative feedback or criticism, and showcase your expertise and credibility. Strategy 4. Foster community. The fourth strategy is to foster a sense of community among your followers. This means encouraging conversation, collaboration, and participation among your audience. You can do this by hosting live streams, Q&A sessions, or Twitter chats. Encourage your followers to share their thoughts and experiences and provide opportunities for them to connect with one another. This will not only create a sense of belonging but also inspire loyalty to your brand. Strategy 5. Reward loyalty. The final strategy is to reward your loyal followers. This means acknowledging their support, appreciation, and referrals, and providing them with exclusive offers, discounts, or perks. You can also run contests, giveaways, or recognition programs for your top followers. By showing your appreciation, you'll not only retain your current audience but also attract new followers who see the value in your brand. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.